In this video, I'm going to be showing us where to put our guidelines for the windows going down our south-facing wall. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to go into our views. So go down to views. I'm already kind of orientated the way I want to be, but sorry, I misclicked. Back out into views. But I want to be looking at my, I think it's a front view of my classroom. And actually I lied, it's actually the back view, because I want to be able to see the inside of this. So go to the back view, and then we want to go in orbit up just a little bit. Now, looking at my classroom, right here we have the western facing wall. Over here we have the eastern facing wall. Along this we have 3 windows we have to place along the southern wall. So I need to be able to see this corner. Zooming in. Next thing is tape measure tool, we should be familiar with by now. Coming in, selecting the edge, make sure we're not at a point, we want to be on the edge, and then slide down, click. The first data that I'm going to enter is 27 feet 4 inches. So 27 feet 4, enter. From there, same idea, on the edge, sliding down. One thing, click again on the wall to make sure we stay on the wall. Every once in a while, if we just slide down, it ends up floating out in space. It's better habit just to click again on the wall. The next bit is 33 feet, 0. So 33 feet, enter. And then my last one, click, and then my data is 38 foot, 8 inches. So 38 feet, 8 inches, enter. And now I have the 3 guidelines that I need to create my windows. In the next video, I'm going to show us how to make the window openings and download the windows from the 3D warehouse. Thank you for watching.